session, I'll teach you about research article, how to write research article. I'll be teaching you about how to write literature review. So in this lecture, you people will be able to learn how to write essay. If you need research to write essay, you want to write research article, you want to write research proposal, dissertation, so like that. So if you want to write, you are on right place. I'll be teaching you about all, because Google Scholar, it provides an opportunity to get data. But the thing is that nobody teaches us how to acquire information, how to get information from Google Scholar. So let's learn. First of all, there is a way to get data. If you write over here, just write you are interested to get data related to NLP, neuro linguistic programming. So just like NLP, I write NLP, I write I get information over here. So let's see. So you see, we have information. I think there is a speed issue, but anyway, you receive information, but this information you are going to receive from Google search. Right over here, you can see over here. So here is the information. So you can study about all these information, but how you are going to write reference, this is the issue. So to write reference is a big issue. You can't write reference. For writing reference, you need primary source. Now, how to find primary source? It's a big issue to find primary source, because Google search is not going to provide us primary source, whereas we need primary source. For that you have to find from Google Scholar. So over here you see, what can you find over here if you want to find something related to Google NLP. You find here are some reference, but these reference are not suitable for us, because we can't use it as a reference. We need primary source. So let's go to Google Scholar. For that we need to go to Google Scholar. So come over here, write Google Scholar. Google Scholar. So type Google Scholar. So once you type Google Scholar, come here. So here in Google Scholar you can find article, you can find from certain period. You are interested to find article related to 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021. Whatever you want to get, these are available. It's a very powerful and extremely powerful source to get information, to get data related to your thesis, related to dissertation research, related to your essay writing, whatever you want. So let's find information article related to neuro-linguistic. So I just write over here neuro-linguistic. So over here you can see that in 2020 21, since 2021, since 2000, you have all information. So just find over here. You can see that in 2021 you have you 2020, 2017. So these are the article you can find over here in Google Scholar. So Google Scholar provides us a lot of help, especially for the researcher. If you are a researcher, you find certain information. So Google Scholar provides you how to organize all. So today in today's lecture I'll be teaching you how to organize. So here you can find, here is a star. It helps you to organize your library. This one, this star. Then this double quotation marks, it can help you to find APA style, MLS style, Chicago style, whatever style you want to get reference. So this reference is available, it is already created by Google Scholar. So Google Scholar provides you an opportunity to organize your reference list. So just click on this double quotation marks, you will be able to get your already created reference. You just copy it and you can paste wherever you want. It's an easy job. It's pretty easy. It's not difficult. You just need to copy and paste wherever you want. I will let you know about this. Then you have already cited by 260 people, they have already cited this article. So introduction to neurolinguistic, whether it's a book or it's article, it's been cited by 260 people. So just you open it and you will go backward. So you will be getting backward information. This provides you to find information already mentioned by the people. They have used this and they have mentioned in their work. So this is what the benefit of Google Scholar. Then related, you can even find related research article related to this. So all are available. I have told you that there is a time you can even find related to your period, whether you are interested in 2021, 2020, 2017, 2018. So whatever period or years you are interested to find, you just click on it and information will be right in front of you. Now I will let you know how to make it part of your my library. So here is the option my library. You click on the my library, whatever you have research, whatever you have you made in my library, you want that it should go in your my library. So whenever you need to acquire this information, you will just click on the my library and you will find it. So I am interested in this neurolinguistic. I will just click on this star. It will go to my library. So it will be easy for me to approach whenever I want. So now I just see in my library, it will be available right there. So these options are only available in Google Scholar. Whereas you want to take these information from Wikipedia, Wikipedia does not provide you like this. So these informations, it's gonna verify whether it's related to my PDF drive or like this. It's just going to verify. So we just leave it as it is. So here you can't find a primary source because we can't cite it. This is just Wikipedia, is already taken by the Google. So these informations are not authentic. If we want to use it in our reference, we can't put certain reference. So there are number of references. The information you find on Wikipedia, it's been taken from various articles. So it's a mixture of article, right? These information these are collected from the various articles and sources, so we can't quote it, we can't use it as a reference. But if you want to take the primary source, then you have to go to the Google Scholar. Once again, I go to Google Scholar. I just write over here Google Scholar. So as it appear, I will write over here. I write as a Google Scholar. Google Scholar. So now I will let you know how to find certain information that I require. So here you can find, you just write neuro-linguistic. I'm interested in neuro-linguistic, so I can use even some tricks. So just use double quotation marks if you are interested to use trick over here. So just click double quotation marks. So if double quotation marks are available over here, so I use a neuro-linguistic, or NLP, neuro-linguistic. I add with it neuro-linguistic plus speaking skill. So then I use double quotation mark. So I just entered. No, Google Scholar will show me exact information related to what I want. So neurolinguistic plus speaking skill did not match. So they say that information related to this keyword is not related. I can even change. I just remove this plus, and over here I write like this. Now I check if information is available related to this. So not matching with it, so we can just remove this, and we write we use and with it. So let's use and oral skill or communication skill. Write communication skill. Okay, let's find it now. So no information is available, so I simply write neuro-linguistic and communication skill. So information was not available related to neuro-linguistic and now communication, so that's why it was not showing. Now let's find. Now it will be showing related to this data, because now I am not interested to find the exact information. So over here, acquiring the communication skill without explicit knowledge, neuro-linguistic approach. So I want to take it in my library. There is an option. I can put data in my library over here. So if I wish, then I have over here this one. If I want to get its reference, it is easy to collect. Then related article, there are 3 related articles and all 49 versions. Then there is the data related to 21. Let's find it related to 2021. How many articles are available related to neuro-linguistic in 2021? Let's find it. So here you can find these are the article related to 2021. So you will find that these article, they are related to 2021. So 2021 you can see over here. 2021 you can see over here the syntax, the importance of neuro-linguistic program skill as a communications tools in the workplace. Then I see the computer interface neuro-linguistic short review. Then the social pedagogical mechanisms ensuring information psychological security, design evaluation and adaptive empathy learning using the medical council framework to development of the communication partner training, analysis made in second foreign language pedagogy. So I think this one is related to my research. I will syntax device and children revolutions. Here I find importance of the neurolinguistic program skill as a communication tools. So this one I find it useful for my research. So how I can download it? I can download. So it's being downloaded. So over here I want to see that how many there are three versions are available. So I can just click on this one. I can save it, and then I can even see. Suppose I want to cut in APA style. What procedure I need to do? I simply click on double quotation marks, and there will right in front of me what I want. So I want the APA styles all reference. I want that there should be reference in APA style. I just click on the double quotation marks, so I'll see that it will be in front of me. So these are, you can see that it is already written in MLA or APA styles, Chicago style, Harvard's and Vancouver's. So whatever you want, I want APA style. It is a requirement of my university. I can just simply copy it and I can place wherever I want. It's not very difficult, it's very easy. So just simply copy it and you can place wherever you want. So this will save your time. So it takes a lot of time to just write it down. So then you have to write writers, their names, and the years, and book names, and journal articles, DOI. So it takes a lot of times to just arrange it and organize it. So you need to just copy it, and after copying it, you can place wherever you want. So this way you can see, let's see related research. We see 2017 how many articles are available in related to neurolinguistic programming. So let's see how many articles are available in neurolinguistic programming, especially in 2017. So you can see there are a lot of articles. So cited by 5, cited by 3. It means that you can see over here, if it shows the 200, 300 or 1000 people they used it in their work, so it will be appear over here. So only 10 people use this. It means that in neurolinguistic people are not working. So they are working, but they are not so many. There are not so many people who are working in neurolinguistic. So once you see that how many people they have already worked in their field, simply see how many people they have cited. So there are only 10 people they have used this. Let's click on it. So here are only 10 people. So these are the 10 people. They have work, ability to the patient, and then pragmatic theory of, these are the 10 people they. So if you want to find most relevant to your NLP and communications, you can write over here. So here will be most relevant from this 10 people. You can further search out. So here you can find the people they have worked: argumentative, alternative NLP techniques, argument and argumentatives, and alternative communication. So you can further check cited by 111 people they have used. I can just download it, and after that I see further how many people have worked cited it. So there are 111 people. You can further go to backward research. It's called backward research. Once you find data, you can further narrow down, and even you can go backward, and over there you can further find. So I find first of all 110, then 111, and now there are people they have 949 people. Further I can search out. So here I can further search what I can narrow it down just like this. Write NLP and NLP techniques, communication skill. So just you can further narrow it down. You can simply search related to your area. So here I'm searching, so it's showing me the prompting based ethno mathematics learning model, the effect of the mathematical communication skill, application of NLP technique in case of analysis, so effect of the carrot techniques, training communication deficit children. So there are a lot of data related to your topics. You can just point it out, you can just find it, and you can do even backward research, you can even backward search, you can even narrow down, you can find your data, you can use even my library, you can even use your reference, you can see how many people are already cited, you can just go backward, find on and on, you can find for your related data, even related article you can find over here. So just click on the related article and you can find your required article from this as well. So here you can see a lot of articles related to your search if you want to find. I hope you have learned about your research. You have learned about how to use Google Scholar. I've teach you how to write reference. I have even taught you about writing a research article, especially writing a reference. So you got a lot of